Skin is our first protection against external aggressors such as particles, UV rays, chemicals, or direct frictions due to shaving or protective mask use. Repeated exposure to these aggressors can alter the surface lipid layer, impair the stratum corneum brick and mortar structure, and even affect keratinocytes' cohesion and structure. In the end, those negative effects led to an impaired barrier function, causing skin's integrity to become compromised. The skin is dry, irritated, and reactive. Ethience Protect reinforces the skin barrier function. It is extracted from the press cake that remains after Brazil nuts have been crushed to produce oil. This press cake is usually discarded, but thanks to Ethience Protect, it can now be valorized. Ethience Protect stimulates the lipid metabolism required to maintain a proper surface lipid layer and stratum corneum mortar. It also stimulates keratinocytes differentiation to ensure stratum corneum's bricks formation. In addition, Ethience Protect reinforces the structure of keratinocytes by boosting the synthesis of cytoskeleton elements. It also favors the formation of tight junctions between the cells, reinforcing cohesion. As a result, barrier function is recovered, redness is reduced, and moisture remains in the skin.